This was the question that I asked the Lord for 20 years. I'm like, God, now I grew up in the church, right? I've been going to church, praying, everybody praying down there. Everybody telling me you're supposed to have some wealth. We ain't got none. I'm like, I'm just that way, okay? I just have to tell God the truth. I'm like, what I miss? So I'm like, Lord, would you please show it to me? If you show it to me, because I just want me some money. I ain't never be around this, So he said, okay. So he showed it to me. Okay? Because if all things are possible through God, then there would have to be a way for a person that grew up like I grew up to be rich, right? See, it's not about me. We're going to transfer over $1 trillion because we're going to help a million people become millionaires. You see? If that doesn't require a government mandate, we don't even have to ask their permission. All that require is wisdom and knowledge. That's what create millionaires. Okay? If you go to Proverbs, the 16th chapter, read that whole chapter. And it says there that God created a whole world through wisdom and understanding. And if you get wisdom and understanding, then you can get all the silver and gold that you desire. Okay? In other words, so what he's proving to us, is that money and wealth is created. You see? But see, if someone, it's like asking a kid from New York. It's like you ask a kid from New York, 8, 9, 10-year-old kid from New York, maybe 13. You say, where does milk come from? They look at you like, what's wrong with you? The store. Now they know intellectually it comes from the cow, right? Hopefully. Okay. But just being a smart butt, how kids are, they're going to say the store in a real smart butt fashion, right? All right, but here's the key to that. We all grew up in an environment where we're just like the kid from New York. Because our parents, not knowingly, condition us that money comes from a job in the bank. In here. You understand? In here. So when we believe that, so you can always know what a person believes based on what a person do. So when you change that mindset and you says, okay, money comes from wisdom and knowledge. God gave you and me and everybody else the ability to create our wealth. Now you go from being oppressed mentally, non-confident mentally, to empowered and confident. And that's the first thing got to happen before you can change. Because even if you get in MyEcon and your basic belief is that you got to have money to make money and you don't have any money, or you get in MyEcon and your basic belief is only way you're going to get rich is that somebody give you a big time job or you hit the lotto. Ultimately, even if you're in MyEcon or whatever you're doing in life, if that's your basic belief, that heart condition basic belief is going to lead you to failure, isn't it? Everybody understand that? That's why the heart thing got to change, doesn't it? You got to know that you can become wealthy. And you got to know that it has nothing to do with what somebody else will or won't do for you. It ain't got nothing to do with a bank. I created my business with $10. So as you start getting recruited to the financial success strategy in your plan, you start talking about business from a different perspective. You're saying, let me show you why you need a business. You need a business for far more than just the idea that you're going to sell some products and services and make a commission check. We got 5 cash flow streams. 5. Not just a commission check. See, now when you start talking to someone, you're like, let me show you why you need this. Let me show you why you've got to do this. Now you can reach them. You understand? Which is what the Bible said we're supposed to do. Deuteronomy 8:18. I give you power to gain wealth. Didn't say I give you power to make a living. Didn't say I give you power to get by. Didn't say I give you power to get a job. Say I give you power to gain wealth. Okay?